Good evening, viewers. Today I'll be taking you on Excel. Like in my previous lecture, I used Excel. So whenever I want to start Excel, this is what the page, the blank page, and the templates. So let's start immediately. The form, like I told you in my first lecture, this is a cell. So this is the rows and this is the columns, and the name of this cell is B2. Try to do our typing. After typing, we can now arrange it. Let us adjust, expand this immediately. Let's assume some figures for all this. Automatically we have finished our typing. What we want to do is to fix figures. Let's say our land and building, $1 million. Current asset, we have to make summation of all this. How are we gonna do it? Automatically this function will not be suitable here. If we use this function, it's going to give us summation, but this is not our intention. Our intention is to get our summation here at the non-current asset. So what do? We use another function for summation, another method rather. So like I told you, you want to enter formula anytime. Start with equal to, then sum, did the sum, double click. If watch out the sum, number 1, number 2, number 3, and it goes on like that. So it's telling you that you have to select or type the cell. You find the number, the cell of where you have the numbers, that these numbers. Now this 1 million, this 1 million is in cell B5, 5,000 in cell B6, B7, B8. You can type B, you can equally type B what, B5, yes, plus B6 plus B7 plus B8, then close the bracket and equal to, that is the total here. The faster way, I rather show you the faster way to go about this. I delete. When I start this equal to, then you type sum and double click. You click on this plus, click this plus, this is what you want, plus, and this. Then close your bracket and enter. This is faster. Though we have only one figure, but still you have to prepare the formula because it could be more. It could be more figures. Not because we have one, we have to make room for it. So we have only this. Close the bracket. Not this. To the liability. Submit to liability, and we have summation here. You can use this. So let's now make this look better. Can do one thing here. We can emerge. We can merge and center. Wrap it. I want to have more space here. This I want to bring up. What can we do here? Let us change the font. Adjust it. Can make the color. Let's fill it. Is assert in capital letter. Going to change. If we want to change this in capital letter, we use a formula to do that. We can only use a formula. Again, in this lecture, we have to do equal to upper close convert into string. you select, see, you set the text, you select the text, or rather this text you can see is on cell number A3. You can type A3 here, or better select it and close bracket and enter. That is capital. I will copy this. There are other places I want to make capital, so I can do them at once. Total equity capital. And can we now transfer the value you want to transfer. I showed you in my first lecture that when you copy, want to transfer this to here, go by special and click that you want the value, not the formula. Let's make underline of some of the, want to underline this, underline this, the last thing we're gonna do now is bordering. Use this to this bordering. We can bold this on this one. So we have just to use the Excel to prepare a balance sheet. So all I'm trying to show you the use of Excel, not balance sheet per se. I'm trying to bring out some of the functions you can use to do this. So thank you.